What's the most wholesome moment you witness? I work nights as a janitor at hospital. Every evening I see this old man sitting by his wife's bed in the cancer ward, holding her hand and reading to her. She was pretty far gone, barely responsive most days. One night I heard music coming from their room. I saw him slow dancing with her. He somehow gotten her out of bed and was just holding her up, swaying gently to their wedding song playing from his phone. A nurse came in to check on them. Instead of telling him to put her back in bed, she just quietly adjusted some tubes and left them be. The old man was whispering the lyrics in his wife's ear, and I swear I saw her smile a bit. A week later, I was doing my rounds when I heard their song playing again. When I walked past their room, I saw them both still. She was lying in bed, and he was sitting in his chair beside her, still holding her hand. The night nurse later told me they'd both passed away after I rushed home, their wedding song playing softly in the background.